Vande Matram. In this video of the Google Ads course, we are now going to start with the sales campaign. And as you might know, we are required to create a Google Merchant Center account for that, right students? Suppose if you want to display your products just like when someone searches on Google and ads are displayed. Let me explain this by showing you an example. Coming on the screen, let me show you the example now. I have currently opened my ad account. So as you can see here, we have created a website which is an e-commerce website to teach you all properly about sales, shopping ads, e-commerce ads in the Google platform. I have opened my WP admin account at the backend website, and here we have the merchant account. Now let's say that if you want to create merchant account, because we'll teach you how to create merchant account. So you will have to very simply search on Google for the Google Merchant Center like how I am doing. When you will search, then click on the first website that appears here. This came up. Now when we run the shopping ads, how does it appear to general people? So let's say that someone types in men, sports, shoes. All right, let's search. So look at the screen. All these sponsored ads that has appeared here are basically the shopping ads from different websites. So these sponsored ads are basically called as the shopping ads, or it's called as the sales ads on Google. And these ads also shows up on different Google platforms. You will also see these on Google search engine result pages. These ads also shows up on YouTube as well as on Google partner sites and many other places. This is what we are going to teach you, that how to create it, but the first step of it is what we are teaching you in this video, where we are showing you that how do we create a Google merchant account. So for that, you should obviously have your own e-commerce or shopping website first, isn't that right? So we have kept that here in backend, and this is its admin. So now what we need to do is, after we have opened the Merchant Center website on Google, and then we will move to get started. Okay. As soon as we clicked on get started, we were presented with the Google Merchant Center process for creating an account. It reads, tell Google about your business. Do you sell products online? Do you have a physical store? This is not a physical store, it's an online website. So I'll press yes for the first one. Okay. Now it reads your store's website. Basically, it is asking you to enter the website of your store. So I will copy my website's URL from here, and after copying, I will paste it here. Now it is asking that do you have a physical store? If I press yes, I will press no, and then I'll press continue, because my business is not concerned with the physical store. Okay. I'll press no, I don't have any physical store. We will press continue and move on. What does it read here? Show your products on Google for free. And here is another thing that I want to tell. This Google page which I showed earlier in video, these are the paid sponsored ads. And friends, you can also see that the option tab that appears here, where products can be displayed for free of cost with no money involved. The ads are also running here. But besides that, you can also list your products for free of cost on Google. Okay. The products are displayed through Google. Let's go back to our task. Now we move to this. What do you need? We are going to press on continue to merchant center. We will continue. We will give the business name, and that name will be, it's Delhi Super Nutrient. So I will select the name of my business, Delhi Super Nutrient. You have to enter the name of your business or website, whatever that is. The country where your company or your business is registered, you need to enter that country here. If it is India, then enter India. You have to enter your country's name from wherever you are. Next is that, do you need personalized notifications on news and tips? If you want, ticket. Get invitations to participate in occasional surveys and pilots. If you need all of this, then tick mark it. If you don't need it, then just press continue to Merchant Center. Now after doing this, we will move on to the next step. Now that we have completed filling the boxes, you can practically see that we have created the account for the Google Merchant Center. And now you can also see my merchant ID on the screen. And the name of company or my store has also appeared on the screen. We will get few steps here, which we need to complete. We have to verify it and then connect website to the store. Let me tell you that although we have created the account, But this account needs to be connected to our website so that when we run ads, the Google Ads platform will know that this merchant center is connected to this particular e-commerce store or website, or it is for this website. Come to add your business address. It is a simple step. Friends, you only have to put in your registered company address. Okay? I will put in a dummy address. We will continue. And you can see the first step is verified. Next, verify your phone number to confirm it's you, because you always have to provide a number. I'll enter a number. 9968 10. Okay? I have added a number here. Wait a second. Okay. Let's continue. Now we are asked to verify the phone number that we have provided earlier. Verification will be either through phone or text. I'll choose text. Once we get the code, we will enter it. Alright? We will enter the received code. Till then, let's wait for the code to come on the phone. Then we will enter the code and verify it. We will receive a 6-digit code. I have entered the code. We will finish. The next step is also verified. As we go through the steps one by one, all the steps will also get verified. Confirm the online store for your business. We will click on confirm. Look, this is our URL. It was automatically fetched because we entered our URL at the beginning. You need to choose email. Okay. It reads get a code sent to your business email. Use an e-commerce platform. Next is add HTML tag or file. Then last option is use Google Tag Manager. Which option do we want to choose? Alright. We will manually choose the option here and we are choosing the HTML tag option. Okay. We get the code here. Can you see it? What will we do now? We will copy this code. Everything is explained here regarding how will we install this. We need to enter in the head section. Moving on. Now we are in the WP admin. WP admin, our site is built on WordPress platform, which is our backend. If you have any other CMS, go to its admin. If you have an HTML site, you can give it to your designer and they can upload the file. He will put it in head. So what will we do next? Now we will go down in our dashboard here and the plugin which we have added is called as HFCM. Okay. You can also go to the theme editor and there is an option for header footer. But the easiest way is to use HFCM plugin. If you don't have it, install it through plugin. It's trustworthy. We will move to the add new and then we will click on it. Alright. We have moved to a new tab under add new. Now we will give a new name to the snippet. Merchant Center. Header. Code. Okay. We entered the name and it should be applied on entire site. No need to change anything here. Just go straight down to snippet code and paste our code. After pasting the code, save it. So once we click on save, our code will be saved and as you see, it is updated. Clear? As soon as we saved this, we will come here and we will click on verify your online store once to check if the code we just added has been verified or not. We will have to verify it here. Look, our code has been verified. As you see, the verified and the claimed option which did not appear earlier is all green marked now. Now I will continue and move forward. This step is also done for me. Now it reads add details to show how you ship your products, add your return policy and add your products. So friends, let's say that if you want to show any additional details which is related to the shipping of your product, then you can add those additional details here. You can also paste the URL of your return policy from your website here. Okay, add your product. We need to create the product feed. That's the second step. We will learn how to create proper product feed in the upcoming video. And after that, we will learn how to create proper ad campaigns and how to run ads. So first of all, if you haven't already created a merchant center, then you can create it this way. After completing that process, we will move further. I hope you understood. Now we will practice. Thank you. Jai Hind.